Hello everyone, and welcome to the Turnitin Similarity Report video tutorial presented by the Psychology Online Writing Center. In this video, we will provide a description on what Turnitin is, how to obtain the similarity report, how to interpret it, and what to do about it. First, Turnitin is an originality checking and plagiarism prevention service that checks your writing for citation mistakes or inappropriate copying. When you submit your paper, Turnitin compares it to text in its massive database of student work, websites, books, articles, and more. Turnitin is integrated into some assignments, and a report is available for review a few minutes after it is uploaded. When you upload your paper to Canvas for grading, it will automatically be sent through Turnitin's database. The similarity report that it generates will help to identify possible instances of plagiarism. To obtain the similarity report, you do not have to do anything differently but just upload your paper the way instructed. First, submit your paper as instructed either through the appropriate module or the assignment page. Next, to find and access a similarity report, go to the grades page and scroll to the assignment. The indicated icon will appear as a stopwatch or clock while Turnitin is evaluating your paper. The icon will then appear as one of several colors when the report is ready for your review. As mentioned, notification can appear in a variety of colors. Each color signifies the amount of similarity present in the submitted paper. The percentage is automatically calculated depending upon how much content within the paper matches against the writing represented in Turnitin's database. Blue indicates that no matching text was found. Green means one word to 24% is matching text. Yellow is 25 to 49%. Orange is 50 to 74%. And lastly, red is 75%. To view the entire similarity report, click on the assignment title to view submission details. The entire report can be viewed by clicking on the colored icon. The similarity report has several options and settings for viewing and reviewing the matches it found. First, the top icon allows the user to select between different types of layers or views. The default layer allows the user to view the matches present in the paper, and other layers may not be available. Second is the match overview and percentage icon. This opens a side panel and allows the user to view each highlighted match throughout the entire paper. Third, provides a list of all sources for the matches it detected within the text of the paper. Fourth, allows the user to filter and customize the matches viewable within the paper. The two main types of filters are excluding small source matches, usually less than 1% to 3%, in quotes. This setting may not be available for all papers. Fifth is the ability to download the similarity report, complete with highlighted matches. And lastly is submission information for the paper. Not all these functions may be necessary, depending upon the assignment and whether the professor has activated all of them. Both layers and filters may not be changeable. The main functions that will be used are the match overview and percentage, all sources, and download. Clicking upon any of the icons on the right-hand side of the screen will open a side panel. Clicking the match similarity will open the match overview side panel. The match overview gives you a breakdown of all the matches that have been found in the paper and allows you to clearly view the similarity score. Matches are ordered from the highest instance of similarity down to the lowest. Each match has a color and a number attached to it. These color tags will help you to find the match within the paper itself. Each match is color-coded and labeled with a number. This helps to easily identify the entirety of the match within the paper. Furthermore, clicking on a source match will navigate you to its location within the paper and open a box containing the original source text. By clicking on one of the sources from the Match Overview side panel, you can discover how many matches have been found for each source. For example, this match is present 3 times in this paper. Clicking the navigation arrows allows you to jump from one match to the next. This will move you through the paper itself. The arrow on the right side of the match itself will open a view to see the source breakdown for that match. You'll be able to see how many sources there are for this match and a percentage for how similar they are to this match. By clicking on this icon, you will be able to view the full source to which the content matches. However, if the content came from another student's paper, then this source will be unable to be viewed. Now that you know how to navigate Turnitin, at this point you may be wondering what all this information means and what do I do about it? There are many reasons in which content will match against the Turnitin database. The Similarity Report simply highlights any matching areas in your paper. If you have used quotes, there will be instances where a match will be found. If this quote was referenced correctly, then that is okay. Review each match and ensure that the quote, paraphrase, and information has been cited correctly. This means to review the content and wording of the match and determine if any changes need to be made, such as if the wording closely resembles that of the original source text, then it should be formatted as a quote to avoid plagiarism. Ensure that each piece of information taken from another source is paraphrased in your own words and it differs from the source text. Talk to the POW-C and your professor if you have any concerns about how something should be cited. Refer to the APA Publication Manual for citation and reference list information.